Welcome to Raw Perfect classes. My name is Rachna Rana. I have 20 years teaching experience. Now I am going to discuss about lesson number 4. Here we take lesson number 4, determinants. Determinant of matrix. Determinant of matrix is denoted by mod of A sign. For example, A is equal to 5, 3, 2, 1. This is the 2 by 2 matrix. And A determinant is equal to 5 multiplied by 1. 5 multiplied by 1 minus 2 multiplied by 3. 2 multiplied by 3. We get 5 minus 3 to the 6. We get minus 1 is the value of determinant. Now, here we write formula for calculation of determinant. For calculation of A determinant, we take this formula A11 multiply A22 minus A21 multiply by A12. This is the formula of determinant of matrix calculation in 2 by 2 order. Only 2 by 2 order. When we take 3 by 3 order, when we take 3 by 3 order matrix, then how we will get determinant of matrix? For example, A is equal to 5, 3, 2, 1, 4, 2, 6, 3, 2. This is the 3 by 3 matrix. In this case, we can calculate determinant like this. Take these square brackets 3 times because in these 3 columns. Then put the sign. Then put the sign between. Sign we will take like this. This is a plus, minus, plus, minus, plus, minus, plus, minus, plus. Now here we take sign. Plus is by default, minus, then plus. And we take the first row according to first row. We take here 5, 3, 2. Now we take elements in square brackets. For these elements, we have to hide. When we take 5 and these values, then first row, first column left, remaining value should be taken. 4, 3, 2, 1. Now when we take minus 3, then we left for this row and then this column. We get 1, 6, 2, 2. When we take plus 2, then first row cut and third column cut. Left 1, 6, 4, 3 value. Now solve these equations. These square brackets. 4 multiplied by 2, 8, 3 multiplied by 2, 6, and take the minus sign in between both values. Always take left to right, top left to right, bottom, and top and below left to top right when we multiply in square brackets. 1 multiplied by 2 6 multiplied by 2, that is 12, minus sign. 3 multiplied by 1 and 6 multiplied by 4, that is 24, sign minus. 5, 8 minus 6, 2, minus 3, 2 minus 12 minus 10, plus 2. When we subtract 24 minus 3, then we get minus 11, because greater value is minus, greatest sign is in front of greatest value. 5 2 is the 10, 10 3 is the 30, minus minus plus. 2 11 is the 22, plus minus minus, plus plus plus, that is 40, minus 22. Then we get 10 minus 2 8, 3 minus 2 1. This is your answer of determinant of matrix 3 by 3 order. In this question we take according to first row. When we take according to second row, then we have to leave second row and first column in first square bracket. In second square bracket, we left second row and second column. In third square bracket, second row and third column. It's depend on you what you take. First row, second row, third row. When we solve cofactors minus in further chapters, then we need this solution. How to calculate a determinant of matrix. This is the determination of matrix. If you like this video, then please click on like and share and subscribe button, so that you can get further lessons. If any suggestion, you can give in comment box. Thank you.